Okay, so let's talk about web development. First, we will need to understand what the web development is. Web development is the work involved in developing a website for the internet, which is the public network, or for an intranet, which is a private network. Web development can range from developing a single static page, plain text, or a complete website, which is applicable on the internet. Electronic businesses, social network services, these are the types. A more comprehensive list of tasks on which the web development commonly refers includes web engineering, web design, web content developing, client liaison, client side or server side scripting, web server and network security configuration, and e-commerce development. Among web professionals, web development usually refers to the main non-design aspect of building a website, writing markups and coding. Most recently, web designing and development has come to mean of the creation of content management system, which is a CMS. These CMS can be made from scratch, proprietary, or from the open source. In broad terms, the CMS acts as a middleware between database and the user through the browser. And in the web development, we have many courses which includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, XML, PHP, and the Python also. We also provide full stack development course for the web development and a mean stack course for the web development, which includes many technologies combined together, forming one course which will benefit in every way.